Hey everyone, I hope all is well and I hope that you guys are staying safe. I know right now with COVID-19 things are a bit crazy, so hopefully you guys are, staying inside, following the rules the government is implementing, and hopefully we can go outside in the next couple of weeks. Some of you might not recognize me and some of you are just like, wow, where has this woman been? It's been a hectic journey, I guess, because I have not made videos in years. And obviously, if you follow me, if you subscribed, you will know that it's been years since I last made a video. But believe me, everything is still intact. Everything is still everything. Working, so that's a blessing. Natural hair is flourishing. You can't really tell right now because I braided up with a little mini bun in the back. And also I'm trying to figure out what else happened that's new. I probably have to go through like a whole recap of 2019, 2018. Yeah, like it's been a very long time. But I just wanted to kind of make this video because a lot of people were like edging me on saying that I should get back into making videos. I know I did have a pretty good, subscriber base for starting out. And I guess gonna just show you guys like what it's been like being natural, and how I'm navigating through this specific time. So guys, what do you want to hear from me? What do you want to know? Like, ask me anything, honestly, and I'll be happy to answer. Like, I'm probably gonna revamp this channel, probably not only talk about hair. I know that's pretty odd because the name is X Hair Care X, but I kind of stepped out of that box a little bit. I probably comb my hair once a week, if that. And there's only like 4 styles that I do. I'm pretty lazy with my hair, but it is growing. I've trimmed and things are intact. So we'll see. Definitely if you want me to continue or to restart making channels, rebrand, revamp, do all that stuff, definitely let me know. So I can actually output stuff that you guys want to see, you guys want to listen to. And I'm sorry, I apologize for not being here for a super long time, but I'm back with popular demand, so fret no more. I'll excuse me. Yuck. I'll put in a little slideshow or something at the end of this to show like the progression and like what has been going on for the past 2 years, related to my hair, obviously, because that's what this is about. And hopefully you guys enjoy and you guys don't hate me and you guys are just happy to see my beautiful face again. Okay. All right, well, stay tuned for the slideshow.